Just look at this channel. It has over 200,000 subscribers and millions of views just by posting 2D football data comparison videos. According to Social Blade, this channel makes over $5,000 every month and between $8,000 to $141,000 every year. That is a lot of money. There is another channel with 1.57 million subscribers, also posting 2D data comparison videos, and I found out that this channel makes $2,000 to $3,000 per video, and it's not just these two channels. There are many other channels doing the same type of videos and making thousands of dollars every month, but here is the problem: you don't know how to make these videos, even though you really want to start and make money like them. Don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make these videos from beginning to end, with just 4 simple steps. But please, don't skip any part of this video. It is very important if you want to learn everything properly. Alright, let's get into it. So, the first step is to get your information. Open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Once you're there, tell ChatGPT what information you need for your video. For example, I asked ChatGPT for the top 30 richest football teams or clubs, ranked from 30th to 1st for 2024 to 2025. It should only list their name, net worth, and rank. Make sure to write a clear prompt. If you have trouble, check the description below for my prompt that you can copy and modify. After typing your prompt, click on Generate and ChatGPT will provide the information you need. Then, copy the information and paste it into an MS Word document. Now that the first step is done, let's use the information from ChatGPT to generate our voiceover. For the voiceover, you can record your own voice, but if you don't have a smooth voice like mine, I recommend using a text-to-speech website. Copy the information from your MS Word document and paste it into your desired TTS maker. Choose the kind of voice you want, male or female, young or old, and click on Generate. Once your voiceover is ready, download and save it. Let's move on to step 3, creating the cards with the information from ChatGPT. We will use Canva for this. If you don't have an account, create one. If you already have one, log in and start creating the cards. Although I have some pre-made cards, in this tutorial, I'll start from scratch. Click on Custom Size and set the width to 5,000 pixels and the height to 1,000 pixels. Then click Create New Design. This size can hold 10 images or cards in one row, so you don't need to worry about the editing process too much. Change the background color to black. Click on Elements and select a square shape, or any shape you like. Set the shape's width to 492 pixels and height to 440 pixels. Drag it to the bottom corner of the background. Click the duplicate icon to copy the shape and drag it to the top corner. Do the same with another shape, but shrink the height to fit. Adjust the height of the second shape as needed. Adjust the colors how you like. But make sure the colors are very good and not too shiny. Now, let's adjust the size of the 3 shapes and make another one under the second shape. And now, we have 4 shapes that would be better for the information. Next, click on Elements and search for Frame. Click See All and select the frame you want. I think the rounded frame works perfectly. Drag it onto the top shape and adjust it to fit. Then delete the original shape. Now, add the necessary information: image, name, net worth, and rank. Click on Text and then add a heading. Copy the name from your MS Word document and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Adjust the size and drag it onto the first small shape. Click on Effects and choose your desired effect. I prefer the shadow effect, then change the shadow color to black. Repeat these steps for the remaining details. You can also choose the font and adjust the text color for the best outcome. Adjust the position until it looks right. It's time to insert the images. Open your browser and search for the desired image. use Canva's copy and paste feature so you don't have to download the images. Click on the image to open it. Right-click to copy the image, then go back to Canva and press Ctrl V to paste. Drag the image above the frame, and it will automatically insert into the design. This completes the first card. Now, you need to duplicate the card 10 times to fit in the RAW. Click on Elements and select a square shape. Resize the shape width to 9 pixels and drag it beside the first card. Next, use your mouse to select the entire card, click on Duplicate, and drag the duplicate next to the first card so that it attaches to the small 9-pixel shape. Continue duplicating until Canva automatically fills the RAW. Don't forget to delete the extra small shape in the middle. Now that you have your 10 cards, change the details for each card. You can make as many cards as you need, whether it's for a top 10, top 30, or even top 50 comparison video. For example, since I'm making a top 30, I duplicate the page 3 times, which gives me 30 cards. Then, click on Share and download your images or cards. Now, let's move to the final step, the editing process. There are many video editing software options available, but I recommend using CapCut or Filmora. Open CapCut and import your cards, voiceover, background music, background image, and any other media you plan to use. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline. Add your background image and stretch it as needed. Adjust the voiceover to sound natural. Increase the speed to 1.10 and turn on the audio pitch if necessary. Drag your first image on top of the background image. Stretch it to about 40 seconds. Scale it to 280. And move it to fit the frame. Add animation. Place the timeline marker at the beginning of the image. Move the mouse pointer to the Position tab under the Scale option, and click the tiny diamond shape to add a keyframe. Drag the timeline marker to the end of the image. Then drag the image to the left until it is completely hidden. Drag the timeline marker back to the beginning. Click the first keyframe, and drag the image to the right until it is hidden. Drag the timeline marker until the end of the image is about to appear. Then click on the image and press Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. CapCut will automatically add the image on top of the first image. Drag your second image on top of the pasted image and click Replace. Repeat these steps for the remaining images. Finally, add your background music. You can also add an intro and outro to complete the video. Once the editing is complete, click on Export to finish your video. Let's take a look at what we did.
Here are the top 30 richest football clubs in the world, ranked from 30th to 1st based on their estimated net worth or club value for 2024 to 2025. 30th Toronto FC $725 million. 29th Brighton Hove Albion $730 million.
Everything looks great, so all you need to do now is post the video and wait for the results. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, turn on the bell icon, like, and share to reach more.